Bonjour, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our delectable culinary journey around the world. Today, prepare to have your taste buds whisked away to the land of romance and culinary excellence. France. Get ready to embark on a tantalizing adventure as we dive into the heart and soul of French cuisine, a true delight for all the senses. So, settle in and let's savor every moment. Our journey begins in the bustling streets of Paris, a city renowned for its vibrant culinary scene. Picture yourself wandering through the vibrant markets, filled with colorful stalls brimming with fresh produce, artisanal cheeses, and fragrant herbs. The sights, sounds, and aromas are simply irresistible. Ah, the iconic croissant. It is impossible to resist the allure of this golden, flaky pastry. Imagine stepping into a quaint Parisian bakery, where skilled bakers knead the dough with precision and care. As the croissants rise in the oven, the tantalizing scent of butter and warmth fills the air. With each bite, you experience the perfect balance of crispiness and tender layers. It's a heavenly experience you won't soon forget. But French cuisine is not just about pastries. It's a captivating tapestry of flavors and textures. Imagine yourself seated in a charming French bistro, surrounded by the ambience of flickering candles and clinking glasses. The menu showcases an array of culinary treasures, from the classic coq au vin with its tender chicken simmered in red wine, to the rustic and comforting boeuf bourguignon, a slow-cooked beef stew that melts in your mouth. Let's take a moment to appreciate the art of French cheese and wine pairing. France is renowned for its extraordinary variety of cheeses, each with its own distinct character and complexity. From creamy camembert to tangy Roquefort, there is a cheese to suit every palate. Coupled with a glass of carefully selected wine, such as a full-bodied Bordeaux or a delicate Chardonnay, the harmonious combination elevates the tasting experience to new heights. Indulgence takes center stage as we explore the realm of French desserts. Imagine sinking your spoon into a velvety crème brûlée, the caramelized sugar crackling beneath your touch. Or perhaps you prefer the delicate balance of flavors in a fruit-filled tarte tatin. With its caramelized apples nestled in buttery pastry. Hesa exquisite desserts are a true testament to the artistry and finesse of French pastry chefs. Leaving the bustling city behind, we venture into the idyllic French countryside. Rolling hills, picturesque vineyards, and quaint villages await. Here, time seems to slow down, allowing you to immerse yourself in the rich agricultural heritage that inspires French cuisine. At the vibrant local markets, you'll discover the bounty of the land. From vibrant heirloom tomatoes bursting with flavor to fragrant bundles of fresh herbs, the ingredients beckon you to explore your culinary creativity. It's a chance to connect with the farmers and artisans who lovingly cultivate these treasures, and to truly embrace the farm-to-table philosophy. To truly understand the art of French cuisine, why not immerse yourself in a hands-on cooking class? Imagine stepping into a rustic French kitchen, where passionate chefs guide you through the intricate techniques and time-honored recipes. From mastering the art of creating the perfect soufflé to learning the secrets behind a silky smooth béarnaise sauce, you'll acquire skills that will forever elevate your culinary repertoire. As our Epicurean journey through France nears its end, we invite you to experience the taste of France for yourself. Whether you visit a local French bistro, try your hand at a traditional recipe in your own kitchen, or simply enjoy a glass of French wine accompanied by a slice of heavenly cheese, allow yourself to be transported to the enchanting streets and countryside of France. Remember, the essence of French cuisine lies not only in its exceptional flavors but also in the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones, celebrating life's precious moments. So, à votre santé. If you relish this flavorful journey through French cuisine, be sure to subscribe to our channel and join us on more delectable culinary adventures around the world.